Hi everyone! So this is the promised video for those persons na nagtatanong about sa itinerary, budget, and kung paano ba kami nag-book for our Boracay trip. As you can see, medyo morena pa ako since nung August 7 to 9 lang yung naging bakasyon namin. That's for our birthday celebration. And sige, idagdag na natin yan sa pag-move on ko. Ayan. So, let's watch this. I'll be providing some tips and how to book using the Agoda app that we used. Sana makatulong sa next Boracay trip nyo. Let's watch this. Okay, first things first, of course, we need to find the Agoda app. Kung wala pa kayo niyan, mag-install lang. And then, let's wait for it. Yan. From there, you can look for flight and hotel. So, yan. Pag may lumabas na ganyan, guys, take advantage of it. Limited time offer, activate discounts. So, yan. You'll see na meron kayong ma-unlock na special prices for 2 hours only. So, once you have opened the app and used it, make sure na ready na kayo talaga mag-book. The budget is ready. Everything should be good. So, you're ready to go. Okay. From Manila to Malay, since yun yung airport ng Boracay. Choose the dates. So, ayan, sample lang to. Ganyan lang din naman yung ginawa namin. Ang kaiba lang ang amin is August 7 to 9. So, yan. Mag-load na yan ng results for the available flight seats sa dates na pinili nyo. And there. Since flight and hotel yung pinili natin, yeah, you'll see there lots of options. Ito yung binook namin, yung Carmela. I mean, dyan kami nagstay. Pero since sobrang mura nga dyan, yan, sold out siya ngayon. Pero yung sa amin nung nakaraan, guys, parang, bukod kasi yung booking nung ate ko sa akin. So, yung sa akin, parang nasa 2-2 lang. Yon. Tapos, tag-tututo kami nun. Yung ate ko yung nag-book ng hotel, ang bukod ko lang na binook is yung sa flight. So, yan. Lots of options. Mas magaganda talaga yung, syempre, mas mahal. Pero, maganda rin naman yung La Carmela since beachfront talaga siya. Then, yung U Hotel, tsaka yung Henan, maganda din doon, pero medyo pricey. To. So, for example, marami kayo, ito yung napili nyo. Yan. Make sure to check the reviews. May pictures din dyan so you can have an idea kung ano bang itsura ng pagbubukan nyo, kung magugustuhan nyo ba. Since ito ay 8 bunk beds, ayan yung cheapest price na nakita natin. Select it. Then, as long as na-activate nyo yung discount sa Agoda, automatically mag-a-apply yon. Then, next is the flight. Yan. Sa flight, pili kayo ng oras dyan. Please consider yung pag-check-in nyo sa hotel and pag-check out. So, yung departure, dapat syempre may time kayo for travel since pagdating nyo kasi sa airport, may mga land transfers pa, tsaka magro-roro pa kayo. So, make sure na may time kayo for those travel, tas kukuha pa kayo ng terminal fee, yung mga ticket, something like that for the Bora. So, for example, ang napili nyong oras is eto, 12:35 to 1:40 ng hapon. Yan yung alis nyo from Manila. So, dapat, kung ganyan yung oras, ang check-in nyo sa hotel parang mga 4 or 5 p.m. Alat at least 2 hours before the check-in para ma-make sure nyo, masulit nyo talaga yung stay. Then, ito naman yung check-out. For example, ang check-out nyo is, for example nga, 4 nights, 3 days kayo doon. Ito, yung 2:05 to 3:10. Yan. Para pag check-out nyo, for example, sa hotel ng 12, may time pa kayo, diba, for the travel time. Tsaka makapag-lunch pa kayo, makabiling souvenirs. Then, yan. Habang nang-load yung price, you can see there the passenger info. Make sure na tama yung ilalagay yung details. Dapat din magdala kayo ng ID. Don't forget kasi kailangan yun sa travel. Of course, sa flight, sa airport, papakita nyo yung boarding pass. Dapat aligned dun sa ticket. Alright? put your details like your phone number, make sure na active yan. And then yung email address, dyan nila isa-send yung details about the flight or hotel na ibubuk nyo. Then sa baggage, you can choose from there, pero pag no checked baggage, supposedly 7 kilograms, dapat hindi lalampas dun yung dala nyo. Kasi may kilohan naman sa airport. Ayan, makikita nyo yung full price, bundle savings. Nakasave tayo ng 1.7 dito sa flight na to. Wow, ang laki nang nasave nyo. Okay. Mas maaga mag-book, guys. Mas maganda. Then, makikita nyo, once na nakapagbayad na kayo, isasend agad-agad sa inyo yung email about the booking. Yan. We need to find it sa email ko since nung nakaraan pa yan. And yan. Ganyan yung marareceive nyo. Confirmation ng booking. And then, pag nag-travel kayo, kahit di nyo na i-print yung parang boarding pass, ayan, yung booking details, ipapakita nyo lang yan upon entrance sa guard. Then, i-represent nyo ulit yan upon asking for the boarding pass sa airport. Ganto, yan. Yan lang yung ipapakita nyo. Yan lang. Sobrang dali lang naman mag-book. Ilanda nyo lang talaga yung budget nyo para pag decided na kayo mag-book, ready na, tuloy-tuloy. Yan lang. Maganda sa Agoda mag-book. Maraming discounts and maraming options. So, there. Next.